Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. And today, before I start the reading, I have a message for you all from Shirdi Sai. As the month is ending and a new beginning is coming, July is coming, Baba wants you all to donate Sai Satcharitra book to a person or to a friend of yours who believes in Sai and also believes in his blessings. This is what is the message I got, at least to one person or three people, is what Baba wants you to do today. Don't ask me why, don't ask me the reason, whatever is the message I got, and that is what is coming. So, when I was asking him why this message, he just said one thing: always remember one thing. We all feel that, there is something big happening in our lives. We are not lucky. We will be destroyed. We can never survive it. We will never be successful. We will be this, we will be that. So Baba says, I want them to donate the Sai Satcharitra and reaffirm inside them and believe that, I am there and I am going to secure their life with my blessings. And for that securing their life with my blessings, I want them to spread the blessings. I remember last week I had told you all to share my video. Maybe the same way today Baba wants you all to share Sai Satcharitra to your friends or to your known people, so that he is sending you blessings and he is giving them also blessings, and those blessings, what they receive, when they thank you, when they have gratitude towards you, your blessings become multifold. So let's just do what Baba says. That's what I feel. Sorry, I had to put a pause because there was a call coming in. So let's pull. So do donate the Sai Satcharitra. Okay, the cure. Your health will improve. Do a daily jap of Baba's name. So now that's another tip he has given you all. Maybe you should do Om Sai Ram 1 or 8 times every day from today till the next coming Thursday. And if you have any health issues, he is going to resolve it and he is going to make it all right. And he's just trying to say that he's there for you. See, that is also an indication. Maybe Sai Satcharitra also was asked to donate for that only. And what will Sai Satcharitra bring to you when you donate? Abundance. You shall be blessed with abundance. Sometimes I really wonder that, how he pulls cards beautifully. So as I was saying, I'm very sorry I put a pause second time. Maybe he just listens and he pulls cards on his own and he tells me that, I am always there for my followers and for my students, or for my believers. Today again, being Thursday, already he has asked you to do a job. I have already asked you to donate the Sai Satcharitra because he has asked me to do so. Don't forget to feed a stray animal, because the more you love pet stray dogs, believe me, Baba is going to give you in abundance, because Baba loves feeding animals, and Baba always believes strongly that be it humans, be it animals, everyone is one. So do that and have a beautiful and a blessed Baba day ahead. And also I shall pray that July brings in loads and loads of happiness, health, wealth and everything that you desire with the blessings of Shirdi Sai. Om Sai Ram.